Good morning, everyone. Myself, Murali Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about what is Slack, creation of Slack account. Okay, why we require Slack? See, Slack is a messaging app for business purpose. We can able to communicate the multiple peoples. Like, if, for example, we have a Microsoft Teams and also we have a WebEx, right? Same thing here also. There we have a Slack. Using this Slack, what we will do? We will be send the notification. I mean, if the particular Jenkins job is failed, we can send the notification to specific group. Okay, whoever available in that particular group, they can able to view the particular job related information, whether it is fail or succeed, you can able to view that one. Okay, we can create the Slack account. Okay, using the Slack account, we can configure the particular Slack inside the Jenkins. Okay, if you want to create the Slack account, we required one mail ID. Okay, and we required once either you can use the Apple or you can use the Google. You can log in with the particular email address, and then you have to confirm that particular email address. You will be receive the OTP. You have to configure that one. Okay, now I'm going to create the account. Let's see. For that one, go to the Google. You can give it here Slack. Okay, slack.com. This is the official page. Okay, click this Slack, and here you can go to that sign. You can click the sign in. Here it is asking like if you have already account or you want to create manually. Okay, for example, I'm going to log in with my Gmail, or else you can log in with your Apple. Okay, I'm going to use Gmail. Google, click this one. Here you can log in with devopsinenglish.com login. Fine. Here it is asking the password. You have to enter. Okay, fine. Now it is going to create it. It is asking the OTP. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay. Now, if you see here, it is redirect to slack.com because we log in with through Gmail, right? So here you want to create that workspace. Okay. I'm going to create the workspace here. Create a workspace. Workspace is nothing but like it is a unique name. Okay. And here, if you observe here, confirm at devopsinenglish.com and create a workspace. Inside the workspace, you can create a multiple groups. Okay. Inside the workspace, you can create the multiple groups. Example, I'm going to create what is the name of your company or team. Okay. I'm giving here workspace name is DevOps by Murali. Okay. Next. And if you want to add anyone, you can invite the people, but currently I don't require to invite. Just skip this step. Skip. Here, if you want to create any team, you can create it. Example, I'm giving here Dev. Okay. Next. Now, if you observe here, this is the workspace. Inside the workspace, we have a dev is a channel. Channel or group, both are same. Okay. Channel name. Okay. Default when you are creating workspace, at the time we have created dev, right? Okay. In case if you want to create new channel, you can create it. Okay. So here I selected this one. We can see what are the options is available here. Okay. So here, if you observe here, I have joined this particular dev. And here you can, if you want to invite the people, you can invite to this particular channel. Okay. And next one, here if you see here we can able to see the lot of options. What is the channel name? And if you want to add any topic, if you want to define any description, why we have created this particular channel. Okay. When it was created. Okay. If you want to leave this particular channel, you can leave. Okay. And if you see here members, you can able to view who are access for this particular channel. Okay, in case if you want to invite your team members, you can invite and you can provide your their mail IDs, and then they will be receive the mail, they will be confirmed, they can able to access this particular channel. Okay, and integrations, if you want to integrate anything like apps, send the mails to the channel. Okay, if you see here, it is pro. Currently we are using open source, right? Open, right? Free one. That's why it is not enabled. Okay, I'm coming to the settings. Okay, here you can edit your channel name. Okay, and if you want change this, currently it is public. If you want to change it to private, you can change private. Okay, now this particular channel will be private only. Okay, if you want to delete this one channel, you can delete. Example, I'm going to delete this channel. Delete, yes, permanently delete. Okay, now the particular channel was deleted. These are the options is available. Okay, we have created that particular Slack account, right? But in real time, in case any organization they are using Slack account, we will be logging with our credentials. Okay, instead of logging with our Gmail, we will be logging with our company credentials, Gmail and password. We can log in with that credentials. You can able to go to the particular channels. You can view that particular channels, and if you want to invite the people, you can invite. Okay, based on your designation, you will get whether you have a read-only access or you can also add that particular invite the particular peoples. Okay, people. I hope understand that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And the next video, I'm going to integrate this Slack notification in Slack inside the Jenkins job to get that particular notification inside that Slack. Okay, I will show you that one. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.